In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning double exposure effect using Canva. This artistic technique blends two images to create a mesmerizing and visually intriguing piece of art. And with Canva's user-friendly tools, it's easier than you might think. I'll walk you through each step, so don't worry if you're new to this process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an incredibly versatile and intuitive graphic design platform, perfect for everything from professional designs to fun, personal projects. Once you've opened Canva, either log into your account or sign up if you're new. This will take you to your dashboard. Now, let's create a new design. Choose a project type that suits your needs. Anything from an Instagram post to a poster could work. This is where your double exposure magic will come to life. After setting your canvas size, you're ready to start gathering your images. For this effect, you'll need a portrait photo. If you have a personal image you'd like to use, upload it now. If not, Canva's extensive photo library has many options. Browse their selection for a portrait that speaks to you or fits the project you're envisioning. With your portrait ready, navigate to Edit Photo and select Background Remover. This feature is fantastic for instantly removing the background from your portrait, leaving just the main subject. It's a huge time saver and steps up your creative possibilities immediately. Next, let's find an impactful image that will overlay with your portrait. In Canva's library, search for images like landscapes, city skylines, or mountains. These scenes work beautifully in double exposure effects, providing texture and depth to your final design. Once you've selected your background image, drag it onto your canvas to merge it with the portrait. Now it's time to create that signature double exposure look. Click on your overlay image and find the transparency option in the toolbar. Adjust the transparency between 40 to 60%. This range allows both images to blend seamlessly, showcasing elements of both the portrait and the dramatic scenery you've chosen. Once you're satisfied with how your double exposure artwork looks, it's time to save your masterpiece. Click the Share button, then choose Download. Ensure you select PNG as the file format to preserve the quality of your image. And there you have it, a beautiful double exposure effect created in Canva in just a few steps. With practice, you can experiment with different compositions, transparencies, and themes to develop your unique artistic style. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy transforming your photos into captivating works of art with Canva. Stay creative, and I look forward to seeing what you create next.